Welcome to the first video of WCOOP 2024. Now recently I have gone broke. I lost it all, very bad bankroll management, made some terrible decisions and lost all of my money. So I'm starting again, and what better place to do it than on PokerStars with the World Championship of Online Poker. I'm going to be playing a select few tournaments, sticking at $11 and under, and going to try run deep, run well, build up a bankroll again from these tournaments, and you never know, might even get myself a title. So let's get in. This is the first day. This is Sunday. The first tournament I'm playing is tournament number 6. Let's get straight into it. Okay. Suited connectors. 9-8 of spades. We'll open the pot from under the gun. And we flop a lot. Open-ended and a flush draw. That's not bad. That's not bad. Now, I think it connects with so many people, with the king queens, king jacks, ace jacks, all that sort of stuff. We've not got the best flush draw. Just going to check. We want to control the size of the pot. Play it cool. Play it cool, Trev. 2 of diamonds does nothing for me after it's checked around. Again, same as before. Control-y, control-y. Don't want to build a big pot. Three-quarters bet and a call, snap called, by the way. I don't know if this is a call or a fold, but I'm going to call because there's just too many possible good outs, potentially. Could just be a fold, don't I? No, call, hit, win. Call, miss, move on. Damn it. Yeah, I think you have to... I can't really represent that, can I? There's just no point. Just give up on it. Move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. Right. Juicy bits so far been a bit more conservative. Just gonna call. I don't like calling from the small blind. Not a fan, but I've done it anyway because I'm an idiot. And now I don't know where I am. I've got no idea where I am in this hand now. Obviously, it's great to hit the ace. I don't know if that's good or not. My gut says he bets big like that. You're not doing that if you've got an ace. You're not doing that if you've got an ace against the small blind and the big blind, right? Because the chance... Whoa. Bradford, come on now. Wasn't expecting that. Because I'm thinking juicy bits. If he thinks he's up against small blind, big blind, chances of having an ace are slim. With the call from the big blind, juicy bits going big again. Have to get out. Have to get out. That's why you don't just call from the small blind. You raise or you fold. That's exactly why you do it. God damn. Nice hand to have on the button. Come on now. Let's get a little bit of interest. Bradford or Frank. Come on, boys. One of ya. Let's get something going. Going for 3/4 of an hour. Oh, Bradford. Right. Probably should play it cozy, but this guy's aggressive. I don't particularly want to play it cozy. I'm just going to go for the click back. Just going for the click back. He shoves, yeah, and I call. He's got kings. Be nice. Be nice. Raise my big blind, will ya? Don't get cocky. Don't get cocky. Oh, right. Let's go. I've got myself in a world of pain here. Defended my big blind with a garbage hand. Flopped a straight draw. Can't get out of that, can you? If you're going to defend and flop a straight draw, you've got to bet, carry on when he c-bets. And I've turned a pair, river 2 pairs, and now he's bet with king 6, 7, 5, of course. Oh, you're just giving away chips now. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Rein it in, dickhead. Playing sensibly, maybe even too tight. Now you've gone completely the other way and you're playing like a dickhead. Rein it in. Start again. Right. King Jack from the hijack. Offsuit. Let's have a raise and a look. That was a big deep. I don't know if that microphone picked that up. Big old swallow. The nerves. Playing so bad. Absolutely terribly. Absolutely terribly. We hit top pair. So I see bet. Snap called. Vegan man. Nines. Now there's 2 flush draws out there. I think I have to go again, right? I bet a little bit more. Half pot. No, that's less than half pot. But that'll mean give me a good shove on the river. Pot size bet on the river. The viciously horrible ace. Do I follow through with the plan? I don't think I do. I don't think I do, because if he does have a flush draw. Ooh, I'll take it. Small wins are important right now. Maybe fannied out a bit, but we'll take it. Well, that's a hand. Ace King offsuit. And we're in the cutoff. Winnie the Pot's having a think. He's not playing though. I open. If I have to go with it, I go with it. We go with it. We go with it. Do we go with it? Can't not. 23 bigs. Fingers crossed. We're ahead. We're so far ahead, it's ridiculous. Oh, come on. That's huge, by the way. That's huge. Pocket kings now under the gun. Is this the turnaround? Played like a moron. These magnets do be strong. Not just one ace. Well, maybe 2 aces better than they're not doing. Give over your tart. Winnie the Pot. It didn't make sense. That's what I'm going to tell myself. Had there just been 1 ace out there, I might have run a mile. 2 aces, nah. You've done me too many times, Winnie the Pot. This one's me. That was probably a terrible call, but I've done it. And I've got some chips now. Calm. Yes. What the fuck just happened there, by the way? He shoved all in with 5-10 off and got incredibly lucky. Getting some hands now. Getting some hands now. We've only got the best one possible. Someone raise it. Someone squeeze. There she is. There she goes. Right, do I call or do I raise? I think either looks super strong, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Let's just fucking go for it. Yeah, both look super strong, so it doesn't matter. Wow, up to nearly 100 bigs. I'm playing the worst poker I've played in forever. Come on then, settle in, baby. Uh-oh. We're up against potentially the mental I'm going to shove no matter what I've got guy on my left. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to call. Oh, he's out. Damn it. Snap fold. So he's been shoving every hand. Wanted to let him raise, then I could see if this guy was serious or not. So that's why I just called. Maybe doing that has saved me a fortune, because that's not a great flop. Got a call for a small bet though, because I've got backdoor flush draw, straight draw. 1/3. I'm in, sir. I'm in for a third. 10 of hearts, please. Boom. 10 of clubs will do though. I'm tempted to check. But no. Try and build a little pot. Little pot. And that's a really safe river, unless he's got 2 clubs. Which he could have, I suppose. We've got to go for value. Nice. I was going to say a raise would make me feel sick. But he didn't, because he flopped 2 pair. Unlucky, mate. Unlucky. 104 bigs. Come on. I've not played a hand since I've sat at this table, so would expect a fair amount of respect and folds, unfortunately. Okay, shows how much I know. 10, 5, 2. 2 clubs, we've got the ace of clubs. So we see bet. Mike McMuck is the only one left from the big blind. What sort of dirty crap has he got? Some sort of dirty crap. Queen of spades. Is he in there with 10-5? Silence. I'm not good enough to fold it. I'm not good enough to fold it. I hate it though. I hate it. What's he check raising with? Well, didn't like that. Was not a fan. Was not a fan. Looks like we could be going straight into another one. 31st place. Holy smoke. 100 big blinds. And I've got pocket fives. Right. FaZe hasn't played a hand since I've been here. I've got to see a flop though. I've got to see a flop. Oh, that's horrible, isn't it? That's horrible. When it gets a lot more straighty. It's pretty brutal. Put a little bit in. Try. Thank God he had no chips. Wow, wow, woo, wow. Thank God it wasn't FaZe that had those nines. We live to fight another day. Getting interesting, right? 358 left. This boy has just in the previous hand had quad kings. Ace king, 20 bigs. We're just going for it. Not messing about. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Well, that's that. Wow. Don't know what to say about that. Played some terrible poker. Got some good hands, got lucky. Played some more terrible poker. Got some more hands. Built a stack. Then went card dead at the end there. Like 2 hours without playing any hands. Absolutely destroyed me. And then to lose with ace king, it's just the way it goes, I suppose. But I did cash, got some money, so we were in profit after day one. Not quite the result I wanted, but bring on day two. Let's build this bankroll. Let's get that first ever WCOOP title. Let's go.